Hey guys, it is Wednesday here in West Virginia, and I don't really have a theme for today, so I guess I'll just call this like whatever Wednesday. So, anyways, what we're unboxing today is the latest Nissan Silvia from Mini GT. This is a whole new casting. This is the Nissan Silvia Top Secret. So, it's a top secret body kit, which is very subtle and modest looking. I do dig this body kit a lot, comparing to like the Super Silhouette and the Pandem kit. There's also another one coming very soon with a totally different kit on it, and I forget who makes it. It may be HKS or somebody. It could even be a Pandem or another LBWK. But that's one thing I do like about the S15. They are adding a lot of different kits on it from different manufacturers and such. So pretty cool. So anyways, this is Mini GT Nissan Silvia Top Secret Silver. And it's the first one with the top secret kit. And then on the bottom side, you have your age recommendation, that it is a collector's model and such. This end cap has Mini GT, scale 164. This end cap has the top secret. Top has the collector number 545. Where to find Mini GT online and social media. And then the back side, you have your official TSM holographic sticker, Nissan licensing, and others. And then on your UPC, it states Nissan Silvia Top Secret S15 Silver RHD. And I do not think these are offered in LHD, only RHD. And it does point out that it is an S15 on the back, whereas it didn't on the front. I'm kind of surprised. So let's get him out and take a look at him. So as always, they have these nice little plastic trays holding the car in place so it doesn't flop around in the box. And we'll zoom in a little bit. Okay, so you have this really cool top secret web address on the quarter panel with like an explosion background. It reminds me of like the old comic books of like Batman, where it says Kapow or something, the way that little explosion graphic is and such. Nothing else really on the side besides that, which is kind of cool. It gives it a nice clean appearance. The metallic silver looks good. And I said, this body kit is very tastefully done, very modest. Just some side skirts and the new bumper covers on the front and rear. Really no wide body flaring on it. It has a carbon fiber hood with special vents and such, with the top secret on the hood. Also top secret banner sticker on the windshield. And you do have a fusion sticker going over where the grill would have been. So that's part of this bumper cover thing, I guess. And then you have acrylic headlight lenses. And then you have these canard little wings that are very subtle right above the big chin spoiler. Chin spoiler is quite wide, but it's like that on the top secret R32 also. And then the wheels are very beautifully done. I do dig these silver rim with it's really not a black, it's more like a graphite colored center. I would have preferred them to be all silver, but this isn't bad though, especially when you're close up on it. It looks very, very good. On the back side, you have acrylic taillight lenses, which are done nicely with like a red and orange and white for your marker lights, your backup lights and such. Your Nissan Silvia emblems, the trunk lock is there. Then you have some mesh inserts on the rear bumper cover to cut out for the exhaust tip and such. And then top secret plate. The mirrors on this one are not really rubber. They may be rubber based, but very hard rubber base, and they would probably break very easily. So I'd be very careful. You can see through the front windshield, the gauge pod on the right. So you can see it as a right-hand drive. Nothing in the back window, no rear window defroster, no uh, kind of co-sponsor type of stickers, but you can see it does have a roll cage. I think it has back seat, delete, and maybe see here. Now it does have a passenger seat, but if it does have a back seat, the bars are going right through it, so it makes it kind of obsolete where you can't use it. So very cool model. The bottom side is highly detailed, better than a lot of their cars. It does have treaded rubber tires. The exhaust coming out is silver. Looks very good, and it is held together as usual with button head Phillips screws. So very cool. And it states the year on the bottom side, whereas it didn't on the box. The 2002 Nissan S15 Silvia, used under license Mini GT. They didn't do this a lot on their older models, so this is kind of new that they're telling you the year of the car. A lot of the old GTRs, if you look closely, you can see it says 2009. That's usually like most of the R35s that they're basing it off of is like the 2009 model. But as they started doing the silhouette kits and things like that, I think it may be based on a newer model GTR than the 09, but I'm not sure. It's very hard to see the year of the vehicle indicated on the bottom. This is cool that they did that. So, anyways, that is your latest S15 from Mini GT, and it is a great looking car. I'm anticipating that orange one coming up. To me, it looks like a bubble because the features, the wide body and all this stuff, it isn't like squared off. It's really rounded and bubbly looking. So that one's going to be a cool one to do a video on, and we'll have it as soon as it comes out. There's a lot of pre-ordered stuff that I'm anticipating for after the first of the year that will be really cool to do some videos on. We'll be back again on Friday. I'm not sure what we're going to do on Friday because I still have some Mini GT stuff, some older stuff. And then I have some Hot Wheels stuff and even some more not Mini GT, but M2 stuff for you guys. So not sure what we're going to be unleashing on Friday for our Free It Friday. So tune back in to check it out. Thanks for watching, guys, and enjoy the rest of your week.